What if your laptop could run your entire freelance business automatically? Right now, there are freelancers charging $3,000 a month just to set up tools like Make for their clients. By the end of this video, you will have a real, working Make automation, ready to sell. Make, formerly known as Integromat, is the most powerful visual automation platform available today. It connects your apps, moves your data, and runs entire business workflows without a single line of code. And the freelance market for Make experts is exploding right now. Clients on Upwork are actively searching for someone like you. Here is exactly what we're building today. A 5-module client intake system. When someone fills out your contact form, Make wakes up, sends them a personalized email, logs them in your spreadsheet, pings you on Slack, and books a discovery call. All automatically. Let's build it. Go to make.com. Click Get Started free. Enter your email, create a password, and confirm your inbox. You are now inside Make. On the left panel, you will see 4 things: scenarios, templates, connections, and data stores. A scenario is your automation. Think of it as a recipe. A trigger fires, then actions run. Simple. Click Create a new scenario. A blank canvas appears. This is where everything happens. Click the large plus circle in the center. A module search box slides open. Typeform and select it. Typeform is your client intake form. Every time someone submits it, Make wakes up and starts working. Select Watch Responses. This trigger fires instantly on every new submission. Now connect your Typeform account. Click Add, Sign In, and authorize Make. Select your client intake form from the drop-down. If you don't have one yet, pause this video. Build a simple 5-question form. Then come back. Done? Good. Click the plus icon to the right of your Typeform module. Search for Gmail. Select Send an email. This is the automatic reply your new client receives the moment they hit Submit. In the I2 field, click the variable picker, that small puzzle icon. Select the client's email directly from their Typeform submission. In the subject line type, Got your project brief. Let's talk. In the body, write 2 warm sentences. Use the variable picker to insert their first name. Make it feel personal, not robotic. Now add your third module. Click the plus icon. Search Google Sheets. Select Add a Row. This logs every new client automatically into your master spreadsheet, your live business database. Connect your Google account. Select your spreadsheet. Choose your Sheet tab. Now map the fields. Name column gets the name variable. Email column gets the email variable. Project column gets the project description variable. Every row fills itself. You never type a client's information manually again. 4th module. Search, Slack. Select, Create a message. Connect your Slack workspace. Choose a private channel. I call mine New Leads. In the message field, build a clean notification. Map the client's name, email, and project type. Now every time a lead comes in, your phone lights up with their full details before you even sit down at your desk. 5th module. Search Calendly. Select Create an invitee. Connect your Calendly account. Select your 30-minute discovery call event type. Map the invitee name and email from Typeform. Calendly now sends them a booking link automatically. They pick a time. The call lands on your calendar. You did nothing. Pause. Step back and look at your canvas. 5 modules. 5 connected steps. Typeform triggers. Gmail replies. Sheets logs. Slack notifies. Calendly books. This is a complete client intake machine. Now, before we activate it, click the clock icon in the bottom left toolbar. Set scheduling to immediately. This means Make fires the moment someone submits, not on a delay. Click Run once. Make enters listening mode. Open your Typeform link in a new tab. Fill it out as a test client. Submit it. Watch your canvas light up. Each module turns green, one by one. Check your Gmail. The automated reply is in your Sent folder. Check your Sheets. The new row is there. Check Slack. Your notification is live. Everything worked in under 3 seconds. Now, click Save in the top right. Name your scenario. Freelance Client Intake 2026. Toggle the switch at the bottom from off to on. Your automation is live. Every client who fills out your form now enters a fully automated pipeline. No manual work. No forgotten follow-ups. No dropped leads. Here is something most Make freelancers never tell their clients. This entire setup takes under 2 hours to build, but clients pay $500 to $3,000 because the value, the time saved every time Saul, is worth 10 times the setup fee. Package it as a one-time setup fee plus optional monthly maintenance. Start at $500. Raise your rate as you build your portfolio. Where do you find clients? Start with Upwork, Search Automation, Make.com, and Zapier Alternative. Set your headline to Make, Automation Expert. I build systems that run themselves. Write 3 lines in your bio, what you do, who you help, and 1 result you've delivered. Upload a screenshot of your Make canvas as your portfolio piece. You now look like a professional because you are one long. Let me give you 2 advanced techniques that separate good Make freelancers from great ones. First, error handling. Right-click any module and click Add Error Handler. Choose Rollback or Ignore based on the situation. This means when something breaks at 2 in the morning, Make handles it automatically. Your client never knows. Your reputation stays clean, long. Second, Data Stores. In your left panel, click Data Stores. Create a new store called Client Status Tracker. Add fields for client ID, last contact, and total projects. Now build a second scenario that checks this store every Monday. If 30 days have passed with no new project from a client, Make sends them an automated check-in email. This is called a retention automation. It keeps clients coming back without you remembering to follow up. Before I give you your action plan, 3 common mistakes. Mistake 1, activating your scenario without testing it. Always run once and submit a real test first. Mistake 2, using the free Make plan for client work. Upgrade to the core plan, $9 a month, 10,000 operations. More than enough for 10 active client automations. Mistake 3, building a 20-module scenario on your first project. Start with 4 to 5 modules. Add complexity later. Long pause. Here is your action plan for today. Step 1. Create your free Make account right now. 2 minutes. Step 2. Build this 5-module client intake scenario exactly as shown. 45 minutes. Step 3. Offer it to your first client as a free setup. Get the testimonial. Then charge full price for every setup after that. Long pause. The freelancers winning right now are not the most talented. They are the most automated. Make gives you an unfair advantage. Use it.